Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. All right, guys, I have another pre-sale, and this one absolutely is blowing my mind. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about Bitcoin Hyper. Okay, this is the first Bitcoin layer 2 chain. What does that necessarily mean? Well, that means you're going to be able to tap into the Bitcoin liquidity. Okay, it's going to make transactions on Bitcoin faster, smoother, more seamless. It opens things up to DeFi, staking, bridges, memes, so all of a sudden you can start having Bitcoin memes. Just allow this to sink in. Look at the market cap size of Bitcoin. And having a Bitcoin layer 2 allows you to tap into that liquidity, just like Ethereum. Ethereum is one of the most powerful chains out there, and you see projects that launch on Ethereum, they do much better because there's more liquidity in the space, right? That's where my brain goes, and that's where I see with this, and that's why I'm very bullish on the Bitcoin Hyper layer 2 chain, because it's tapping into virtually an untapped market with the most liquidity in crypto. That's where my thought goes. Okay, so not financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm going to be throwing some money at. I'm personally going to be throwing probably $3,000 to $5,000 at this. I'm going to see what I can scrape together. There's still a day and 22 hours left to get in on this pre-sale. And look what they've actually raised since their start: $1,467,333 to be precise. And so this is a very good launch. I think this is going to do very, very well. The amount of people and the interest that's in it, the people that have invested into this, I think this will do very, very well. Okay, so like I said, come over here, check out their website, get involved, read through it, see if you see what I see. But for me, when I look at this, I see big potential. Okay, like I said, I'm not just going to read the website word for word. I'm just kind of scrolling through it, kind of picking out some of the highlights. But the tokenomics, 25% for treasury, that's great. 20% for marketing, amazing. 15% for rewards, listings 10%, and development 30%. That's all fantastic. Decent tokenomics, good roadmap. They've got some amazing partners and friends, and like I said, right here is frequently asked questions. Why Bitcoin Hyper? You know what? It's the first Bitcoin layer 2 network. Okay, it enables fast, low-cost Bitcoin transactions. Okay, unlocking staking and DeFi right there on chain. So this is powered by high throughput. All right, so this is going to, in my opinion, it could change the game for crypto on a lot of levels. Like I said, tapping into the liquidity of Bitcoin. So I really like this. I really, really, really do. Come over here, guys. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below, but I really think you should check this one out. Like I said, I know there's a short period of time here on this video, but like I said, hopefully you're in my private groups or my VIP or my public chat, and you're going to see this video or see this actual as a buy alert before anybody else sees, or before you're watching this video. But I want to say this: if you are watching this video and the pre-sale is already over, look for an entry at launch, because every time a project launches, you always have those initial spikes, and there's always those little bit of sell-offs, people taking profits, people pulling out their initials. There's always those little retracements, so look for an entry. So if you happen to be watching this video and you didn't get in on the pre-sale, look for an entry, because I think this thing's going to do some serious numbers, some serious gains this bull run. Okay, so I'd love to hear your thoughts in the description below. Let me know what you think, but for me, I am bullish. You come over here to their X, and they said great engagements. I'm going to go ahead and follow here. They got 12,800 followers, 28,000 engagements. I mean, likes, retweets is just phenomenal. And I like the character. I like what they're doing. It kind of gives it that meme-esque feel, tapping into Bitcoin, which I like. You don't really see that. You don't really mix Bitcoin with memes, right? It's more, Solana, Ethereum, things like that. And I like the idea of making Bitcoin a little more degen, a little bit more real, right? It's not just this, store of value that's kind of boring, it's not stuffy. It's going to make Bitcoin, give it a little life, a little bit of energy. So that's what I see for this, and I really, really like it. So everybody, like I said, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, I hope you follow me on my channel, follow me on X. Come over here, get involved, but seriously, get involved with Hyper. and go to their website. I'm going to leave all the description below. Check it out. The other thing is that you can buy this. I just want to show you here really quick before I come off here, but you can actually buy this with credit card. I saw this right here. Buy with crypto, buy with card. So it's very accessible. So if you don't have any crypto in your wallet, or you want to onboard, this is a great way to even onboard into crypto. You can buy it with credit card, and it's a great way to kind of get your fiat into crypto. So check that out. Might be worth looking into. So anyways, I'll just wanted to leave that there, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think about it, but I think this project has huge upside potential. Everybody have a great day. Don't forget to smile, and I can guarantee if you get some hyper, I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.